Hello guys, how are you? I am Asghar Ali with PeachTree computerized accounting software. This is our lecture number 5. Eh, Lecture number 5 and 6 will cover purchase process. In lecture number 5, we will purchase using purchase receive inventory feature of PeachTree, and purchase receive inventory feature is under task menu. Here is purchase receive inventory. I click here. Here we will select our vendor. This is Mr. Asif. This address is of our vendor, and here address is shown of our company because we want to purchase from Mr. Asif and ship to our stock. This is for inventory, and we will here invoice number we will write here invoice number 1 because this is our first transaction. Today's date is appeared here. Dropship mean if you want to deliver your order to your customer, you purchase from Mr. Asif and deliver order to someone else. I click here, customer will appear here. This is customer ID. If I select customer ID Mr. Ali, then address here will be address of Mr. Ali. But this is for the purpose of if we purchase from our vendor and send direct to our customer. But this time we want to purchase for our inventory, for our stock. So uncheck this drop ship. I am placing an order of 500 keyboards because we have only one inventory yet. Purchase price is shown here 220, which we selected, which we put on when we created our inventory. Total amount for our purchase is 1,10,000. If I want to pay in advance at the time of purchase, I want to pay my vendor 60,000. Then remaining amount will be shown here 50,000, and I have to give reference number. Reference number should match the invoice number. So I write here 1. Now all the necessary fields are filled. I save my order and close this dialog box. How can we check whether we have received our inventory? To check our inventory, we should go to reports and then inventory. Here inventory feature is selected. You click on item list. Double click here. This is your inventory detail. Only one inventory keyboard. This is stock item, active, computer type, and 500 is the quantity on hand which you have recently purchased. I close this sheet and I want to go to ledgers. I click here. This ledger of 1010 code cash on hand is as it was before. But something changed in checking account ledger. Here a transaction of 60,000 is shown. If I here this magnifier shows, if I double click here, the sheet will be opened about our purchase order, and this shows I paid 60,000. Total amount was 1,10,000. Net due is 50,000. Here in red letters, partially paid is printed. This shows we have not paid in full. We have paid only in parts. I close this sheet. In my next lecture, I will pay the remaining amount to my vendor. So till then, I say you goodbye. Thank you very much.